Devangi, where is your other friends? Devangi, good morning. Where is your other friends? Devangi, are you getting my voice? Devangi, am I audible?
यस सर।
अरे
यस सर।
बहुत देर से मैं पूछ रहा हूँ आपसे, 2 मिनट हो गया, 3 मिनट
नहीं
आपसे
सर,
क्वेश्चन
आपकी
पूछते।
आवाज नहीं आ रही थी, इसलिए मेरा नेटवर्क इश्यू था, इसलिए सर।
तो आपके फ्रेंड्स कहाँ गए बेटा? इतना टाइम हो गया अभी तक नहीं है।
पता नहीं सर।
लास्ट सेशन में थे सभी लोग?
हाँ।
हम्म। Shall we start? You received my WhatsApp message as well? That's I already given.
यस सर।
Yes, so no issue related to it. Am I right? From my end, I am just searching. If is there any fault from my end, then I have to resolve it right now.
नो नो सर।
Okay. So Devangi, what was our discussion in the last session?
About sir raw data and the difference of information system in that.
Okay. Okay. So we already discussed raw data, information, what is information. Now we move towards the one more we discuss about the decisions, structured, unstructured, semi-structured, and their labels. So that also we started. and role of MIS in modern business. So, what are the different types of decisions and how does the decision making process actually works in a organization? So, senior managers, what they do, make many unstructured decisions. So, we already discussed about the unstructured decision where things are not in a routine nature. Things are not in a routine nature where they have to take a decision, and things are looking for the future movements of the organization where you want to be in future. So ज्यादा फोकस किस तरफ होता है? पार्शियल इंफॉर्मेशन होती है टॉप मैनेजमेंट के पास, सिग्नल्स जिसको हम बोलते हैं कि डायरेक्शन पता होता है या पता चलता है कि किस डायरेक्शन में चीजें हो रही हैं बिजनेस इन्वायरमेंट में, और अदर स्टेक होल्डर्स गवर्नमेंट और अदर बॉडीज के थ्रू, where you are as an organization you are standing, how you want to take the leverage or the opportunities, or even if it is a threat, how you have to respond to it. All such things are required, and these things are in a very unique all the times. That's why they are unstructured, they are not routine. Clear? रूटीन वन हमने क्या बोला था? जो रिपीटेड है, सेम है. एक प्रोडक्ट बनाने में कितने आइटम्स लगते हैं? कल आपको 10 का ऑर्डर आया तो आपको किसी से पूछना नहीं पड़ेगा कि अब क्या करें. You just need to multiply your input by 10. Am I right? These things, these are such kind of decision is called as a routine decisions. What you have to do in a same pattern, same manner. So these things you can put in your what to do activity, or frequently asked questions, or your manual, like we know the user manual and all. That way you have to follow and you will get the answer. So nothing unique or special is required. That's called as a routine one. What middle level management peoples will do, they are in a middle form. So they have the perfect idea what is going on at a operational or a lower level. They very well connected with the top management people, what they want to be, what they want the organization to be in future. So both the way they are very well connected. So they what they will do, they make more structured decision, but these may include unstructured component. So meaning is that that's a combination. Partial information is in a structured form, but partially you need to take the decision. For example, as I said, how much quantity required to produce a one product. So you can easily take decision how much is required for 10 products. But what they will do, how many products you have to make. So they may have the idea what is the current status, inventory level, employees, raw material availability, and all those things. So they need to combine the organizational or top management expectation, and then they will decide how many product we have to produce. Good afternoon, Parth. It's a good noon, I think. So that they will do. Operational managers and their rank or a file employee, that level, what they do, they make more structured decision. That structured, again you can say, you need not to apply your own brain, your own intuitions, your own particular way of doing. Just follow the instructions, just follow the guidelines, just follow the rules or procedure. No need to apply your own brain. You need to follow the standard procedures given, provided, or available. You need not to have your own interpretation of it. That's called as a operational level. So this is the pictorial form of a last slide, or even last 2 slides you can say. Structured at an operational or a bottom level, semi-structured at a middle level, and unstructured at a senior level. What exactly these people do? So let's start from the bottom. Operational people, look it to the right hand side of your slide, this slide. Determine overtime eligibility. So let's say in a HR department, they specifically categorically will mention when you are eligible for overtime. You just need to check whether you are falling under that category or not. For example, income tax liability. Government already given the guidelines. You just need to check whether you are having this much of income, you are having income from these many sources. If yes, you are liable for tax. What is the percentage or the liability that also will be available? You just need to check it and through it. No extraordinary brain required in it. Restock inventory. So things will be given. Let's say your storage capacity of 100, and because of various factor, I'm not explaining those factor, a production and operations management faculty or in subject you may go through it. Let's say capacity is of 100 and you set your own standard that once the storage reaches to the 10 unit, from 100 to 10, you start working to refill the stock. Am I right? So you can wait for the 10, and once the 10 is reaches, you can start refilling the stock to again to the 100 quantity or whatever your you can say the style or your rules to fill it. So that much you can fix it. Then offer credit to customer. So whenever you visit to a bank or any other shop where such facilities are available, they will check your all credentials. Nowadays we called it as a credit score. Clear? So they just fill your all the detail and they will have their own system algorithm to predict how much and whether you are eligible or not for this credit. So if you are eligible, then they will check how much the credit they can provide you. So let's say you may be aware about the credit card limit. Banks generally offer the credit cards to their customers, and that limit they can fix based on the earning or a past experiences. So these are also operational level. So branch level people will identify through the system, through their standard procedure. So no extraordinary brain required. Then determine special offers to customer. Again, for example, recently we have gone through the various offers at our Republic Day, 26th January. So Amazon sales started from 22nd to 26th, and they have their own criteria. Product category, percentage offers, billing amount. So various categories or various types of offer. Clear? Whether it's combined or not, that's again total bill amount related offer. If you are crossing 5,000, then you will have, and you are using, let's say, SBI card, 500 cash back immediately. So if you are using your SBI credit card, you have to pay only 4,500, not the 5,000. Immediate cashback on the bill itself. If you are using the SBI credit card, debit card, whatever it may be the offer they have. So these decisions are possible at operational level. Now move towards to the middle level. So middle is actually in between. So they are very well aware about what is happening at the ground in their facility, production unit. Capacity, working capital, raw material, inventory, everything they get update. And same time they also get update about the future of the organization, what they want to be in future, with or you can say the help provided by the top management. So they are in between, and then they have to take the appropriate decision, keeping in mind the current lower level or operational level strength, weakness, opportunity and threats. They need to take the decision. So they need to use their own brain, as well as they need to stick with the structured format. Design a marketing plan, develop a departmental budget, design a new corporate website. All such type of decisions coming under the middle level, and that's also depended or related to the departmental or a particular function related, not related to the entire organization. Functional, marketing, finance, operations, these decisions they will take. Am I right? So they have the combination. Few things are already provided in a structure, and few or a partial portion you will treat it in the form of the given information, and that these managers will apply their own brain, own capacity, instructions, signals, and then they will decide what they have to do. Third one is, or topmost is, senior management, where you are taking the decisions which are in unstructured nature. So unstructured is called non-routine. Things are not have done earlier, and even if it is done, the all factors will not remain same. Either things were changed, factors were changed, environment was changed, something is there which is not as identical as was in future, as it was in future, in past actually. So decide entrance or exit from the market. That's a big decision, whether you want to enter into in this market. Let's say recent budget, central government uplift the limit of FDI in insurance sector from 49 to 74. It's up to your call. Like any banking financial institution, they need to think of whether they need to introduce themselves in this business insurance sector or not. That is a very big move. So they need to have so much of information and their own expertise, future planning requirement, many things. This will call as a unstructured decision. Approved capital budget. So what kind of a budgeting procedures, they budgeting steps they have for the coming year, how much they want to invest in R&D, how much they want to invest in facility building or infrastructural facility, employees, corporate social responsibility. So many factors are there where they are investing and what are their actually future outcome. Decide long-term goal. What exactly you want your organization to be in future? Which place you will expect your organization? What kind of a developments required? These all things comes under at a senior management or a top management's role responsibility. Now you have to think this, these activities usually available in all kind of organizations. Now you have to think what they will do to take or to do all those jobs at a various hierarchical level. Every level you required information. That is your first requirement. You required information. If information is not available, then you will not be in a position to take any decision. That is the first call. What type of information is available? Clear? What type of information is available? Whether it's real time, perfect, accurate, concise, precise, it's leading to your objective. Everything. Any doubt? So MIS is going to play a very pivotal role, key role in all the managerial, hierarchical managerial activity, whether it's structured, semi-structured or unstructured, to provide all the detail update so that they will be in a position to take a better decision. ये समझ में आया अभी सभी को? अगर आ गया है तो यस टाइप करें, नहीं आया तो प्लीज बताएं किस पॉइंट्स पे हम और डिटेल या डिस्कशंस एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं. यस। Okay, so our objective is not to understand these hierarchical structure. Our objective was to understand how MIS is helping in all these labels. Now, decision making process, how actually the decisions works or decision will be taken in an organization. Okay, कोई बताएगा हम डिसीजन किस तरीके से फ्लो करते हैं, फॉलो कर रहे होते हैं अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में? धार्मिक? अरे वाह, जैसी धार्मिक हुआ धार्मिक तुरंत गायब। जय? 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 अरे वाह, ध्रुव भी चले गए। जय बेटा, अनम्यूट करोगे? अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ जय।
यस सर।
यस। लाइफ में हम कैसे डिसीजन लेते हैं, कुछ प्रोसेस है इसका क्या?
सर सोच कर।
कुछ गलत नहीं बोलोगे तो मत घबराओ उसमें।
हेलो सर।
यस जय।
सर सोच कर हम डिसीजन करते हैं।
सोच के कहते हैं डिसीजन? अच्छा, तो सोचने के लिए क्या जरूरत होती है? सोचने के लिए क्या जरूरत होती है? डिसीजन के लिए सबसे पहले तो आपको यही पता होना चाहिए ना बेटा कि हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम भी है या नहीं है, अपॉर्चुनिटी है या नहीं है। यस और नो?
हाँ सर, हाँ सर।
Good. So first of all, we use our own intelligence, whether you are in a problem or is there any opportunity. आप डॉक्टर के पास कब जाते हैं?
जब कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है।
किस तरीके की? फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम होती है तो जाते हैं?
नहीं नहीं।
हाँ,
मेडिकल।
हेल्थ रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम होती है तब जाते हैं।
यस।
और वो भी कब जाते होंगे? जब आपको लग रहा होगा कि अब आपसे नहीं संभलने वाला, हेडेक
हाँ
हो रहा है,
यस
तो आप ओवर द काउंटर ड्रग्स जो होते हैं, मेडिसिन होते हैं, उनको आप ले सकते हैं। लेकिन आपको लगता है पता नहीं है क्या चल रहा है, अपनी तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, बेटर है कि किसके पास चले जाओ? एक्सपर्ट के पास। तो मेडिकल फील्ड का एक्सपर्ट कौन है? डॉक्टर। तो डॉक्टर क्या कहता है? डॉक्टर क्या करता है? आंख पे पट्टी बांधता है, एक इंजेक्शन लेता है और सबसे पहले लगाता है, उसके बाद पूछता है कि जय क्या हाल है। ऐसा करता है क्या?
नहीं सर, पहले पूछते हैं क्या प्रॉब्लम है।
पहले आपसे वो बात करता है, इंटरेक्ट करता है।
यस
व्हाट
सर।
दे आस्क? दे आस्क वेरियस क्वेश्चंस। कैसा फील हो रहा है, कहाँ पेन है, कब से है, क्या खाया था, क्या पिया था, कहाँ गए थे, आपको क्यों ऐसा लग रहा है, कब से ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है, फैमिली में किसी और को भी है? होता है जय ऐसा?
यस सर।
और फिर डॉक्टर को भी अगर कुछ समझ में आ रहा होता है, हिंट्स उसको होती हैं, तो वो क्या बोलता है? या तो पैथोलॉजी में चले जाओ, ब्लड टेस्ट करवा लो, है ना? या
हाँ
कोई
सर।
और जो फिजिकल टेस्ट जो होते हैं, जैसे सोनोग्राफी हुई, एंडोस्कोपी हुई, ये सारी चीजें हुई, तो ये कोई एग्जामिनेशन करवा लो ताकि डॉक्टर कंफर्म हो सके कि आपको बॉडी के किस ऑर्गन में, क्या पार्ट में क्या इश्यू है।
हाँ सर वो तो है।
ऐसा ही होता है प्रोसीजर की, जो मैंने पहले बताया था कि आंख पे पट्टी बांधता है, पहले
नहीं
तो
नहीं
2
ये
इंजेक्शन लगाएगा और उसके बाद पूछेगा कि बताइए क्या हाल है।
नहीं नहीं ये प्रोसीजर सही है सर।
ये सही है, मतलब ऐसा ही
हाँ
होता है ना।
हाँ सर।
पहला चीज हमारा एफर्ट कहाँ पे रहेगा? फर्स्ट एफर्ट टू
बट
आइडेंटिफाई द प्रॉब्लम और अ अपॉर्चुनिटी। सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं, अपॉर्चुनिटी भी बिजनेस में होती है, तो उसको भी लाइफ में भी होती है। सो डिस्कवरिंग, आइडेंटिफाइंग एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग द प्रॉब्लम ऑकरिंग इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। डिस्कवरिंग, identifying and understanding the problems occurring in the organization की प्रॉब्लम क्या है, किस लेवल का है, क्या सीवियरिटी है, क्या इफेक्ट्स इसके हो सकते हैं, लाइक कोरोना। At an initial stage we were not having much information about corona, so we followed the international standard procedures, you can say, or the what the other countries have adopted, that were called as a lockdown। हाँ, आप बेटा ये अनूप गुप्ता जी को बता देंगे कि उनका अटेंडेंस आज का नहीं मिलेगा, ठीक है ना। ये सेशंस इस चीज के लिए नहीं है कि आप आए और अपना यहाँ पे अटेंडेंस डाल के और घर निकल जाएं, ठीक है। यहाँ पे अनूप का कोई फ्रेंड है क्या? गुप्ता जी का फ्रेंड कोई है? गुप्ता जी का कोई फ्रेंड है क्या इधर पे? कोई फ्रेंड नहीं है यहाँ पे गुप्ता जी का? क्या बात कर रहे हैं, 27 लोगों में से एक भी गुप्ता जी का फ्रेंड नहीं है? क्या बात है यार, कितना मतलब बेचारा 1.5 साल हो गया, एक फ्रेंड नहीं बन पाया उसका। जय भी नहीं है, धार्मिक भी नहीं है, कोई भी फ्रेंड नहीं है। आदित्य भी नहीं है, रक्षित भी नहीं है, मिहिर भी नहीं है, ओ गॉड, मीत भी नहीं है। ओके, next thing is design. Once you go through in identifying the problem or opportunity, you will think about the various alternatives. You will think about how you will deal with this particular either the problem, so how you can use the benefit of it. Okay, नकुल जी भी नहीं चाहते हैं कि उनको अटेंडेंस मिले। लेट मी सी। ओके, नकुल जी ने तो अभी कोई इनपुट दिया ही नहीं था, तो ये तो एब्सेंट ही मार्क हैं, कोई टेंशन नहीं इनका। ठीक, सो आइडेंटिफाइंग एंड एक्सप्लोरिंग सॉल्यूशंस टू द प्रॉब्लम। identifying and exploring solutions to the problem. What are the way you can respond? What are the way you can respond? Check your network. I am very well connected. I think I am very well connected. Still, if you have any problem, then I can try to relocate my mobile. Please confirm me again if you are still getting any breaking in my voice. So design is identifying and exploring solutions to the problem. Okay. Wait a minute. I will try to relocate. Hope now I'm getting better connectivity.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Then once you identify the number of solutions or number of way you can use this opportunity, then it's a time which you have to choose what you have to do, keeping in mind the current condition. For example, at the time of corona, how government strategized the better use of resources, because we were not having that much of medical facility. It's you can say the blasting of the cases of corona, so we were not in a position to give opportunity, or you can say that give medical facility to all the concerned person, those who are affected by corona. So what they have done, they identify properly the person, those who are old age need to be given proper care first. The person who is having multiple diseases, they need to given the priority in hospital. Persons, those who are young or having mild symptoms, they need to be quarantined at their home. Persons, those who are having again mild symptoms but not having the facility at home, so the hotels may be converted into a quarantine center where you can stay, and the doctor may visit on a regular interval to these hotels and supply the medicines, because no critical care required. Clear? And in emergency, you obviously you need to be shifted to the ICU or somewhere other places. That way they have identified or chosen the way to deal with this corona crisis. I hope things are clear. So you have to identify what is the best way for you. Best way, keeping in mind the current conditions. This is not idealistic situation in all cases, but keeping in mind the current conditions, you have to, your objective is to save the maximum lives. Clear? So requested, first one is better to have a lockdown. That is the one way the government can control. So the people's movement will be less. So the spread of this virus will be somewhere restricted. That was the objective. Clear? And then other way, till the time you can improve your medical facility like India has done perfectly, from zero PPE kit manufacturing to the largest manufacturers in the world during this session only. So how quickly we responded to that particular situation. So it's a choice. So choosing among the solution or alternatives, which one is best, keeping in mind your current condition or a state. Last one is very critical, is implementation, where whatever you have think of about the problem or opportunity, whatever the way you design to deal with it, which one you have chosen to implement, it's a time where you will actually implement your idea into a reality. So this is very tough as well, because till before this stage, everything is on paper. Everything is in your expectation. Now it's coming to the reality. So maybe you may experience a different kind of a feeling or a outcome. You need to be very well prepared for all such and ready with your alternative. Again, our objective is not to understand the process. Our objective is that how information is going to be support in each and every stage, whether it's intelligence or discovering what exactly the problem or opportunity, whether to identify the various alternative sources through which you can generate more money, you will have the better solution. Then again, updating for self, keeping in mind your current status, your employment, resources, product, market share, many things are there. And lastly, the implementation, to choose the right time, place and everything to properly implement. For example, India's corona vaccination program, very properly they have strategized. Now you can link it with our structured, unstructured, semi-structured and unstructured decision making. So corona vaccination centers, almost 3,000 plus centers India established at all district level. They have given the fixed protocol or SOP by the Health Ministry and Home Ministry, what you have to do, everything. So almost all identical: spacing, who will give the vaccination, temperature, record, identification after vaccine, observation, everything is given in all the you can say the territory. It is followed in the same manner. Clear? So the implementation, how you are strategizing and how you are delivering it. Clear? Whatever the process you are adopting, the same pictorial form of it is in a form of stages in decision making. So what is the problem? What are the possible solution? Which one is the best solution? And is the solution working? Lastly, you can check. So there, here is all the steps. You can relate it our own recent happenings, whether it's related to the corona lockdown decision or the vaccination program which is right now running. So how intelligently they identify the India's position in it, problem with it, how to respond, India's capacity and case spread, everything. So properly identify, chosen the various among the various alternative, the one is chosen. Initial one was the lockdown, the only strategy. Improve the production or capacity. Immediately they start working on vaccination or a medicine. So now at various front, India, Indian government, Indian various sectorial, you can say the persons, perfectly done so many jobs. Clear? And that is the only reason we are at where we are right now. What was our planning? So again, keeping in mind our capacity, we have done our best to deal with it. In all the steps, major role played by the information at every steps. We at the initial stage on March, world and even India were not that much aware about the corona, because this is exceptional case happens with us. Then we don't having any idea how we are going to deal with it. We were not having any idea how we are having the medications or a facility. Many things were in a fuzzy manner. Still, we work very well. Clear? And at every steps, we get updates from the information system, you can say, or the information that provides a good role, major role, so that we were in a position at various stages to have a much better steps or decisions to help or support the overall objective. Now let me know please whether this thing is clear. In last 3 slides, our objective was to identify the hidden importance of MIS, how information system is helping in doing all such activities. Quickly confirm whether these things are clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can type. Good. So it will be recorded, your attendance as well. Good. Now, managerial role. So, as I already discussed in previous 3 slides, what exactly the managerial role. So you can say information system can only assist in some of the role played by managers. So managers, what role they play depend on their hierarchical position: operational level, middle level, senior level. So their role may require a different kind of a you can say the different kind of a attitude, different kind of a information requirement, and different type of decisions. So from structured to semi-structured to unstructured one. And these decisions will lead the future of the organization or their particular departmental or hierarchical level status. So classical model of management have 5 functions that's you know very well. The name may be different: port, scope, principle, planning, organizing, directing, controlling, or a planning, organizing, coordinating, deciding, and controlling, whatever it may be. In all the steps, the major requirement is that how exactly you are getting information, updated information, realistic, believable, easy to interpret, timely, so that you will take the decisions at your own levels. Clear? And you can check the current performance with the expected performance so that you will have the idea whether things are working fine. आप देखेंगे कि चीजें वैसी हो रही हैं जैसी हमें चाहिए थी, सारा इंप्रूवमेंट, सारी ग्रोथ उसी डायरेक्शन में हो रही है, या कोई डिविएशन या कोई अलग इसमें बदलाव है. That you have to check. Ultimately you want to achieve your objective. If you are far away from your objective, you will decide what exactly you have to do. Clear? Then more contemporary behavioral models nowadays, you can say very challenging, real-time basis, very much high or a highly updating, highly technological enabled. So it was not a like era where you have decided something, you have chosen your own way, and then you're resting for 10 years, 15 years, and then you are focusing only to working on that particular or working with that particular model or a decision. So let's say Maruti 800, initially it's designed and it works for years, decades, you can say. But now you may observe in a four-wheeler segment, every quarter, every month, every fortnight, one or the other company is coming up with the different models. So it's not a time like in a past where you have designed a particular model and this model is working for a long time. Now you need to have a models updated technologically, design wise, very front, and you need to have a various variants available to your customers. Then only they will be happy. Exceptional things will not happen. Exceptional, like in a four-wheeler segment, you can say Alto, Swift, or Indica kind of a model. Those they run for a longer period of time. Otherwise, you have to keep on changing those particular things. I hope things are clear. This is all about in this particular module 1. Clear? Now you have to prepare for the case that we will discuss in our next session. So next session we will have a better revision as well, and then case discussions. So will you please let me know how many have already gone through the case, because that I uploaded way back on 18th को मैंने अपलोड कर दिया था. तो क्या स्टेटस है बताएंगे अभी? स्टेटस में डिमांड कर रहा हूं, तो आप लिख सकते हैं यस सर यू हैव गॉन थ्रू, इफ नॉट नो. सो यू हैव गॉन थ्रू इट, देन टाइप यस, इफ नॉट देन नो. Yes. So now I will upload this PPT presentation. What I am expecting in a next session, you must be prepared, go through the case, all 3 videos, read it. If possible, take a printout, then answer. If not, write down all the questions. Try to attempt all the answers in your notebook. because these you have to upload in a classroom, Google Classroom assignment. Now let me know if you have any doubt related to our discussions. We discussed so far what is MIS, how it is playing role in business, what are the nowadays or current business models or changes, what is data, what is information, what is difference in between, how business take decisions, what are the steps, how MIS plays role into in it. Please. If you need any other revision, please let me know. Next session, you must be prepared for the case. So till the time, thank you. If you don't have any question,